Hey everybody, I'm Elise Wong, and in today's video we are going to talk about this book, Monet by Janice Anderson. This is a beautiful coffee table book filled with paintings throughout the life of Monet. There is a summary of the artist's life in the first few pages, followed by his paintings. I love Impressionism, the use of colors, atmosphere, and texture to depict its simplistic beauty in a somewhat realistic setting. So I kind of aspire to do a few impressionistic pieces for myself, and I did find some beautiful pieces within the book. I love collecting art books to gather inspiration and to try out different things. So let's take a look, shall we?
So honestly speaking, I don't think this is the most powerful painting by Monet to put as a cover, but nonetheless, let's see what we have here. So we have this lovely painting, and here are the contents. So here is the introduction of Monet's life, summarized in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 pages, and the rest are all his artwork. So you can see some of his kind of like pastel watercolor, a little bit simple, and then we kind of move on to still life, oil on canvas, which is starting to look really good. And you have his other etchings of caricature, and it's really amazing to see how people have different styles. They have so many different styles, and it can be seen here. And some of these paintings are super huge, as shown, as explained in the introduction. Like some of these oil canvases are like 130 centimeters by 181. It's like really, really big. It's like 217 centimeters by 138.5. It is like, wow, I don't even know. Painting huge canvases is such a chore for me. I can't imagine how he does it. And you can see how he paints like anything, like landscapes, just even fish. Fish, guys, fish. And it's really, really beautiful to see the different kind of styles that he has. And even though it's like Impressionism, you can even see like this is like simpler. This one has a little bit more detail, and it was quite inspiring for me because I do like Impressionism, and I do plan on, diving into that, to tap into that art form. And I love these. I really love this. I love the lavender color mixed with a really bright lime green. I love the color combinations. And this one was really good. It's one of my favorites. The amount of detail in this is just amazing. And then you have some that are even more surreal. Not surreal, impressionistic. And you even have this, even though it's unfinished, it still looks really good, like how it just kind of goes from like nothing all the way to the art style. So I really like this one because there's so much impression on it. It's not detailed per se, but the colors and everything, the texture, I really love it. I really like these. It looks so magical. You're like in another world, a very crystallized world. You might as well be on the home of Superman, on Krypton. Yeah, it's really pretty. I like this. It's almost abstract, and yeah, I really like it. It's a very brief, kind of brief walk through his paintings. But I think if you really like Impressionism and you like to see some of Monet's work, then yeah, I really like this book. There really isn't much to say of it. If you're into Impressionism and looking for a collection of art to gather inspiration, then this book may help you in your journey. If you're not, then well, perhaps this is not your cup of tea.
That's all for today. If you like my videos, it would really help if you hit that like and subscribe button and can share it with your friends if you do find it helpful. That's all for today. If you like my video, it would really help if you hit that like and subscribe button and share it to your friends who you might think might find it helpful. I share videos, tutorials, and photo references for free for artists to use. And if you'd like to support me and help make all of this sustainable, you can do so by pledging over at Patreon. You can also join my Discord server where I try to create a wholesome community over there, and you can also be notified when I am going live on Twitch. So all the links are down below in the video description. That is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.